Hey everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Power here, and in today's video we're going to be giving more sticker swap shoutouts. This is another shout out video, and it is a great way to network with the community, sending stickers out, receiving stickers, and then giving each other shoutouts. The wall is almost full, the box is all but full. We got a little bit more space here, so we're going to probably fill this space up here today and maybe even end up taking the banner down. So without further ado, let me start giving shout outs. And the first shout out I'd like to do is for the Yankee Carpentry. Simple Woodworking. R&R Woodworking. Handcrafted by Bob Lashley, and this is real cool. This is actually looks like a piece of just laminate or very thin wood that's been milled down and laser engraved. It's got the sticky stuff on the back that you peel off and stick like a sticker. Real cool. Thank you, Bob Lashley. Polar Woodcraft. Nice logo there. Filthy Pirate Coffee Company. This is a coffee company I discovered with a pirate name, and I will probably be ordering some of their coffee grounds from them real soon. Thank you for the sticker, guys. Not a sticker, but I was giving a Boy Scout Jamboree, the 24th World Scout Jamboree, Scout Mondale, living in the 21st century. This is a badge from the Boy Scouts. I'm not a member of the Boy Scouts, but I did help with this event by helping and assisting in building a shipping crate, helping pick out the materials and all for it, and they give me this badge as a thank you. They say it's real rare for someone that's not associated with the Boy Scouts to get a patch, so thank you for that. I'll hang that up out here in the shop. SW Creations. And in their sticker swap, they also sent me a drink coaster made out of 3 types of woods, and they also done that technique where you electrify the wood and it puts a nice design in it, so that is real cool. Awesome. Thank you for that, guys. Interactive Realm. And this sticker also came with a sticker for the Maker's Playground, which was designed and is ran by Izzy Swan and his amazing crew. If you haven't downloaded this app, I suggest you do it. It's like Facebook for makers, and it don't matter if you sew, sing, make woodworking, do CNC work, laser engraving. If you're a maker, I highly recommend this app. And this is a vinyl sticker, so it's one of those you peel off and then place it and then peel the plastic off. Bigfoot Woodcraft. Wayne Bigfoot Woodcrafts. Nice little unique logo there with the foot. King Arthur Tools. Really love this logo, and I'm really fascinated by the legend of King Arthur. Flynn's Arcade and More in Margate, Florida. It's a video game store, and they also restore old retro arcade games. Really awesome. Y'all know I'm a retro gamer. Jaws Resort Wear. I recently got back from Myrtle Beach. It's one of my, if not my favorite place to visit, and there's a store. If you go all the way down Kings Highway, if you're going, it's on the left, and it's got a huge shark. You enter through the mouth, and it's themed in part to the movie Jaws. Here is their awesome sticker. Really cool. And then I got an awesome mail package from the legend Jimmy DiResta. So that's cool. I got his sticker in the mail. He also sent me a patch, and that'll be hung up out here in the shop somewhere. And then he sent me a few more trinkets. He sent me these thick postcards with some of his sayings on it. Really cool. And then he also sent me the Duresta stencil so I can use some spray paint and tag his logo out here in the workshop or around the workshop. And then he sent me this little square card that says Duresta, make something every day. A few more here. Mad Raccoon Gourmet Barbecue Sauce. Awesome logo as well. 76 Leather Company. Weasel Works. And finally, the Country Bed Shop out of Ashby, Massachusetts. This guy has an amazing Instagram feed, and he makes and restores a lot of old-timey beds, and he also builds beds, so real cool. A lot of stickers this time. Again, I had went to the beach and come back and had some in the mail, had some before I went to the beach I hadn't given shout outs to. But as always, right now, let's get the stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. And just as I expected, I did not have enough room to put all those amazing stickers up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. I've got about 8 left to put up. So what we're going to do is take down the original Artisan Pirate banner. This was my original logo whenever I very first started doing YouTube videos. It's just held up there with 4 little nails. So let me take that down, and we're going to finish adding the stickers to the Sticker Swap sticker wall. All of the new stickers are up on the Sticker Swap sticker wall. I now have a huge, well, somewhat huge blank space to put more stickers on. I still got a few spaces down here at the bottom before I remove the banner to get some smaller stickers if I get any in the mail or swap with anyone and they have a smaller type sticker. But as always with these sticker swap videos, I will be adding everyone's links that I can find to their Instagram pages down in the description box below, so you can go give them a follow and also sticker swap with them and network with them. That's really how we get all of our names out there, guys. As always, I love giving shout outs, so if you want to sticker swap with me, the Artisan Pirate, just send me a message on my Instagram or Twitter feeds or one of my social medias, and I'll be glad to get an Artisan Pirate sticker out to you. That's about all for this video. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.